What? 3,760 in base 10 to base 9. Solution. We draw a table. 3,760, which is here, and the base you are converting to, which is 9. You put it here. Now we start. 37 divided by 9. What do we have? That's 4. 4 times 9 is what? 36. Take the 1 and put in front of this 6. We have 16. 16 divided by 9. What do we have? 1. Remainder what? 7. You put the 7 in front of what? In front of this 0. We have 70. 70 divided by 9. 7. 7 times 9. 63. Take away from the 70. You have what? Remainder 7 also. Now dividing by 9 again. 41 divided by 9. What do we have? 4. 9 times 4. 36. So take away 36 from 41. What will you have left? 5. Put the 5 in front of 7. You have 57. How many 9 will you see in 57? That is what? You are going to have 6. Because 9 times 6 is 54. So that will be what? Remainder 3. Now, divide by 9 again. What do we have? How many 9 will you see in 47? In 46 rather. You know that 9 times 5 is 45. So we have 5. Then remainder what? 1. Divide by 9 again. What do we have? 5 divided by 9. We have what? 0. Remainder what? Remainder 5. Now, we get our solution from the bottom to the top. We now conclude. What are you converting? 3,760, which is a number in base 10, is now equals to what? From the bottom, we have the first digit, which is what? 5. So we write 5. The next digit, 1, 3, 7. Then what base? To base 9. That is the solution to the problem.